one thing I do not want to hear this 2024 is you guys, especially the youth, complaining that you can't find a job and you don't have a source of income. Like, there are so many things you can do to make money from the comfort of your home. It's getting irritating. And today in this video, I'm about to share with you 5 things you can learn so you can get this money. It doesn't matter if you are a graduate from Nigeria. It doesn't matter if you've never been to college. It doesn't matter. As long as you can read and write and you are ready to learn and you have the passion, it doesn't matter what people have told you in the past. These skills can literally make you a millionaire from the comfort of your home. Like, are you kidding me? Let's do this because I'm passionate about it. Hello, today I'm talking about how to make money online, and I'm going to be giving you 5 solid ways that you can start making money from the comfort of your home, because I don't want you to keep complaining and finding excuses. A lot of us as human beings, we have one mental disease that we never got diagnosed for, and that's excusitis. Yes, it's the disease of always creating excuses for not getting things done. You're a graduate, you're a high schooler, you are a dropout. It really doesn't matter. The richest people in the world, 9 times out of 10 are dropouts. That is not an excuse for you to give up on yourself. There are so many skills you can learn online and make money today, or you can make money next week if you do your research well. And I'm about to give you 5. Number 1 is editing. Video editing will never go out of, you can never run out. You can never run out of business. You know how to edit short form videos, like on TikTok, on Instagram, on YouTube Shorts. You know how to edit long videos. And when I say edit, I don't mean put 1, 2, 3 things in the beginning of the video. I mean edit from beginning to the end kind of video that will captivate the audience. So the people that you're editing for, they are going to continue to come back to you, and you can continue to increase your prices because they're getting paid from YouTube. That kind of editing, right? Even the small businesses that are on Instagram, they're making money through your videos. Guess what? They're going to come back. They're always going to be with you. You're going to have a long lasting customer. And guess what? They're going to bring more customers to you. They're small business friends. Okay. Number 1 is video editing, right? Number 2 is social media marketing. If you have no idea what social media marketing is, go on YouTube today and search how to become a social media marketer. Bam. It is that easy. Number 3 is email marketing. Every business owner wants to transfer their online customers onto their email list, because that's the only thing we actually own. TikTok is about to be banned in the United States. Instagram can decide to cancel at any time. So can Facebook. So can YouTube that we're watching right now. So what we do is, when we capture your attention online, then we take your information and we put it in the email so we can always contact you with or without social media. Number 1 is video editing. Number 2 is social media management. And social media management is different from video editing, by the way. Don't confuse the two together. Number 3 is being a fire email marketer that everybody wants to use to grow their emails and to make money, because email marketing is one of the biggest ways that us small businesses make money. Okay, that's where the people that really want to buy from you, that's where they buy from, the email. Another one can be your text message marketing. 9 times out of 10, before you check your email, you would check your text message. Text message marketing always works for me. If you learn how to be a professional text message marketer, where you can create sequences, where you can create welcome text messages, where you can capture and captivate people to buy from these businesses, guess what? You're going to continue to make money, and they're going to continue to bring more customers for you. On the fly, I just gave you 4 different occupations you can start from the comfort of your home. So I need you, especially the people that are in countries where their government are not responsible. Stop relying on the government, because the government are not reliable to themselves. The government can't even take care of themselves. How do you think they can take care of you? You need to get up. You need to get over your excusitis. No, you are not too young. No, you are not too old. No, you don't need to have a degree. You know what you do need to have? passion. You know what you do need to have? Self-discipline. You know what you need to have is to be open to learn new things on a daily. If you have all of the things that I just said right now, the sky is just your stepping stone. At this point, it's not even a limit anymore. The sky that you see up there is a stepping stone, because there is life beyond the sky. And my number 5 point before I release it today, have you subscribed to this channel? Because you can see my passion. You can feel it through the camera. I'm very, very, very passionate about you succeeding. So I hope you are passionate about yourself as much as I'm passionate about you. Make sure you figure out something you can do online. I just gave you 4 options, and I'm about to drop the last option before I head out. But before I head out, I'm going to be having a 30-day Grow Your Potential Customer Challenge. It's going to be for 30 days, and the link is going to be below. If you are thinking about starting a business, you already know the niche, or you have a business but you're stuck, or you make less than $10,000 monthly in your business, you need to be in this challenge, because a lot of you are, what you really need is accountability. And that's exactly what you're going to get in this. You are not going to come in that group with the intention of not getting things done, because if you do, you're going to get kicked out and you're not going to get your money back. Yes, the 30-day challenge is meant for only the people that are ready to put in the work, because at the end of the 30 days, we are all going to see positive results. We're all going to be counting this money. We're all going to be looking at our analytics and be like, wow, I never knew I could do this in 30 days. So number 5 way you can sell online with $0 is drop shipping. You can sell other people's stuff. You can decide to go to my brand, Cover Me Cute, and start selling my stuff, and you get commission for every single item you make. There is this business owner on TikTok, I forgot the name of her brand, but she sells African sponges. I cannot recall how many people that I've seen help her sell these sponges. These sponges are like $10. I know the cost for putting these sponges together in Nigeria might be probably less than $1. Maybe shipping will make it higher. But all the people that never knew we use sponges to bath and they use washcloths, they are now into using sponges to take their bath, and it just changed the game. And this woman continues to go viral on TikTok, and she's bringing those audiences on Instagram, and I know she'll have an email list too. So those are the 5 things you can do to start your business. So if you're in Nigeria, if you're in the United States, it doesn't matter the part of the world that you're in. Stop excusing and start executing. I can't wait to see you on my next video. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Idaya Sambo.